Hello, everyone. Nice to be
Hello.
on.
How are you?
Fantastic.
Oh,
I'm
you're one of our new members right there. Good to have you
yeah,
here.
yeah. Thanks.
Awesome.
So
Welcome to the family.
I'm watching and listening to everyone, and this has just been great. I started really paying attention last week while I was working. I was
Yeah.
kind of multitasking, and then over the weekend, I decided to pull the trigger, and here I am.
That's awesome, man. Well,
So thank you, guys.
absolutely. Appreciate you being here.
Me too. It's
I
really
think
good
we're
to be
gonna have
here.
a good time in here, man. We're as you can see, we're really built around community versus everything else. The rest is just gonna come just from what we do, but this is all about helping each other, supporting each other, making sure that we're all lifting each other up. So
Well, I know, and I was especially touched by some actions last week towards the end. I think it was on Friday. So
yeah,
I was kind of thinking about that. So
absolutely.
thank you, everyone.
Yep, for sure. Proof's in the pudding, right? Like we don't talk about it, we do it here.
That's right.
I'm so glad to have you here, man. Appreciate it.